Hello everyone. Giving everyone a minute to come on. Hello everyone. Hi. Is there a lag? It is cold. It is 28 degrees here. But I'm outside for a reason. I'm just kind of waiting on some more people to get here. But I might just go ahead and start talking. So, it's no secret that I struggle with agoraphobia, and it is very tough for me to fight that feeling that I need to hide or seclude myself from the world. And the last few days, I have been feeling like God's been whispering to my heart to come out here and spread love. Because I look on my notifications on Facebook and all it is hate. It's all that I'm seeing anywhere is hate. And so I just want people to come out here and see a sign that doesn't say hate, that it's all about love and showing love and spreading love, so that one day when I get everybody, someone from every state to do this, we'll do it on one day and go live for an hour, and everyone on Facebook will have happy stuff on their notification that day. So it's a process, and we're building it up, but this is what I'm doing. And I ordered a bunch of Bibles, and they'll be here next week. So next week I will be doing this, handing out free Bibles. So this is what I'm doing, and I'm going to give the phone to Eric so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So hang on. You got to turn it.
I am. Oh.
It's you. We'll see you. That's what I'm doing, and I'm going to give the phone to Eric. It says, "Try faith, show love." Hang on. So, I am standing out here in the freezing cold just to show love. And then next week, I will be doing it, handing out free Bibles to people who cannot get them for themselves. And I am totally stoked about this. And I have people already that are in Minnesota that want to help, Wisconsin that want to help, Rhode Island that want to help, just to spread love. So we can stop focusing on the hate. Everyone puts so much, they invest so much in the president, and their people are so scared and sad. And I just want people to know, if they had a little faith, it goes a long way. Just a little faith. You don't have to put faith in man. You don't have to put faith in Trump. You put faith in God, that he will guide us and he will guide him. that is what we're doing. Hi, everyone. It's backwards, though, I think, probably.
Yeah, come across the street this side.
So that's what I'm doing, guys. What do you think?
I thought I'd show you guys.
It's kind of awkward here trying to hold my phone. Whew.
It's on a road to renewal.
Woo.
Sharing the video from. Just so you know, so we're at road to renewal.
It is snowing too. Can you see? 28 degrees and it is snowing. But love doesn't stop when it's cold, so you just gotta show it. I seriously got sick before I came out here because I was so nervous. And I prayed before I came out here that I would be calm and that I would have clarity and wisdom, because this is terrifying for me. I mean, being on the road with Eric riding a bicycle was scary, but this, sending a message about God in a world that hates God right now, is terrifying. But I'm here and I'm doing it because God is whispering to my heart, believe it or not. And it says in the Bible to be obedient. So if I would have ignored that, who knows, I might just change one person's mind today. I might just change one person's thought process to start thinking more positively and change what they post and start thinking things through before they talk, before they open their mouth. You never know. I'm just planting seeds. Thank you, Deanna. Code. This is so much fun, though. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. It's fun until I get tomatoed or an egg thrown at me. Then it won't be that much fun anymore. Or a burrito because I'm a fat chick, you know. So, but it's fun right now. I'm loving it. Hi, Mom. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you for supporting me in this, Mom. Standing by me. Thank you for standing by me through all of this, because it's been crazy. Katie. It's the truth, you know, like, what is that movie with the Bellas, or the Bellas? And, Rebel Wilson gets a burrito thrown at her. So, I just want to kind of show you guys the traffic so you can see what I'm seeing. Oh, what does the sign say? Hang on. On the front it says, try faith, show love. Philippians 4, 6 through 10. On the back. Here, read it.
Honk for Jesus.
Jeremiah 29:10.
You know, putting a honk on your rear end might have been a bad idea.
Honk on my rear end might have been a bad idea, but
Wrong impression.
I am on a corner here. Thank you, Mom. I am so excited. This is fun. Whew. Exhilarating, terrifying, exhilarating. But it feels good to be obedient, to be doing what I'm supposed to be doing and listening to what God's telling me to do. And that feels really good, even if it's scary. I guess It is so important to step out of your comfort zone. And that's one thing that I really learned on this trip, is that anything that's worth it isn't easy. And you have to take risks, and you have to jump hurdles and get out of your comfort zone in order to succeed. You're not going to do it sitting on the couch, and you're not going to do it hiding and being afraid. So it's just so important. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys some of the traffic. They need to invent a smartphone that allows you to use cloth gloves, because it doesn't work. Okay. Traffic. Woo! You know, Eric thought I was crazy, and I might be crazy, but I'm fun. And I'm gonna be doing this. I'm gonna be doing this in every state that we go to on this journey when Eric gets back out there. After I find out when I get to go, I'm gonna be doing this everywhere we go, and passing out Bibles and standing on a corner doing this, spreading love, showing love. Spreading love sounds really bad, but showing love. Feels a little awkward when no one honks, you know. Then I feel a little crazy. So much fun though. So happy Sunday to everyone. Probably going to get off of here right now, and I will post some more stuff later. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I was doing and what I plan on doing, and I will be doing from here on out on the trip, and here too while I'm here, until I get to go back out on the road. I don't know when that will be, when I get to go back out. But I hope that I get to just take medication and go, and that there's no surgery involved, and I can just get back out there. That's my hope. So fingers crossed, say prayers that happens, because I don't want to be waiting here, and I don't want surgery. That would suck. So this is my plan, and I hope you guys are okay with it, and I'm not offending anyone. And if I am, I guess see you later, because I love God, and I'm not afraid to say it. I'm not afraid to show it. I'm not afraid to dress up like a fool in the middle of the winter in the snow to say that I love God. So try faith, show love. I love you guys. Bye.